Today's devotional reading comes from the book My Life Today by Ellen G. White.
Good morning. The topic this morning for reading is God in Nature, October 17. The subtopic is God is my life. The heavens declare the glory of God. The firmament sheweth his handywork. Psalms 19 verse 1. God has surrounded us with nature's beautiful scenery to attract and interest the mind. It is His design that we should associate the glories of nature with His character. If we faithfully study the book of nature, we shall find it a fruitful source for contemplating the infinite love and power of God. The great master artist has painted upon heaven, shifting, changing canvas, the glories of the setting sun. He has tinted and glided the heavens with gold, silver, crimson, as though the portal of high heaven were thrown open, that we might view its gleamings and our imagination take hold of the glory within. Many turn carelessly from these heavenly wrought pictures. They fail to trace the infinite love and power of God in the surpassing beauties seen in the heavens, but are most entranced as they view the imperfect painting in imitation of the master artist. The Redeemer of the world chose the open air in which he gave his lesson of instruction. He chose the groves and seaside where he could have a commanding view of landscape and varied scenery, that he might illustrate important truths of the kingdom of God by the works of God in nature. Look at the wonderful and beautiful things of nature. Think of their marvelous adaptation to the needs and happiness not only of man, but of all living creatures. The sunshine and the rain that gladdens and freshens the earth, the hills and the seas and plains, all speak to us of the Creator's love. It is God who brings the bud to bloom, the flowers to fruit. It is He who supplies the daily needs of all His creatures. The heart is quickened and throbs with new and deeper love, mingled with awe and reverence as we contemplate God in nature. Do have a wonderful day, and please remember to join me tomorrow for another reading or for a daily devotional. God bless you. Bye.